In this video, I'm talking about biological molecules. And the one we are going to look at for today's class is nucleic acid. In this video for nucleic acid, I will just define it, but I'm not just going to do the definition. I'm going to explain in details what nucleic acid is. So let us start. The moment you have nucleic acid like this, try to know the components. What are the components of nucleic acid? We have the phosphate group. And then we have nucleoside. When you add the phosphate group and the nucleoside together, you have what is called nucleotide. That means phosphate group plus nucleoside will give us nucleotide. All right. Now, the nucleoside on its own can be classified. Oh, it is not classification. It contains rather the components of nucleoside are two. So, number one, we have the nitrogenous base, and number two, we have the 5-carbon sugar. These are the two major components of nucleoside. So if you now say that phosphate group plus nitrogenous base plus 5-carbon sugar will give you nucleic acid, you are also correct, because nitrogenous base and 5-carbon sugar will give you nucleoside. For the purpose of this class, nitrogenous base is classified into two. One, we have the pyridine, and we have the purine. Then the 5-carbon sugar can also be classified into two. One, we have beta D-ribose, and the other one is 2-dehydroxy beta D-ribose. Hope you guys are following. Now, the pyridine, we have three major ones for the purpose of this class. And these three include, number one, cytosine. Number two, thymine. And number three, uracil. For the purine, we have 1, adenine, 2, guanine. Now, to make this class accessible to everybody, I want to stop here. What is now nucleic acid? The building block, what we use to build nucleic acid, is the nucleotide. That means when nucleotides join together to give us nucleic acid, as in nucleotide will join together to give us nucleic acid. The bond that join nucleotide together will be described in the next video. So what is nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is simply a polymer of nucleotide. Nucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotide. So this is a convenient place for me to stop this class. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and like our page. Thank you so much.